everybody. Good morning, everyone. Papakita ko sa inyo si Devin, guys. Naglalinis siya sa aming garden and dumating na yung aming parasol. I'll show you. Ah, I thought you were cleaning the thing.
I was. I just literally sit down.
Ayan na yung mga grass, guys, na nakuha ni Devin. Huh?
Look at the other side.
Wow. It looks a lot, but
It is a lot. It is super much.
so hard to put
Look how
Kai.
sweaty I am already.
It's so hard to put Kai to sleep.
He's still crying?
No, he's like when I move, he wakes up.
Mommy, look at my balls.
Go, guys. Look at my balls, guys. How is it, Sanji?
What is this?
Some poop. Ayan yung flower na nabili namin, guys, noong pumunta kami ng Germany. How is it like? Are you liking the weather?
Well, I rather had the cloudy weather from before if we were going to do the garden. Also, why are you starting the garden? Then I'm stuck doing it outside and you're inside.
Kanina kasi, ako yung nag-start ng garden kanina. And then, babe, the thing is going inside. The thing about sunny weather. Yeah, that's trash.
Trash or grass?
Trash with the flowers.
Ah.
Madaming lang yung kulay green. And yeah, we're just chilling here. And kakapatulog lang namin ni Kai. Kanina malamig dito kanina. And ngayon lang medyo na init-init. Be a good boy. So, yeah, yung neighbors namin, guys. So, meron kaming new neighbor dyan sa site na yan. Nagtitirash yung packet doon sila. Or may visit ata sila. Mabait sila. Si Devin actually, guys, meron siyang sakit pero go pa rin siya sa kanyang mission. Ang mission niya ay linisin ang aming garden. Ayan. Meron pa kami madaming bibilhin para maganda yung garden namin. Kasi hindi kami sure kung makukuha namin yung bahay or not. So, yeah. Pag makukuha namin ay at least meron na kami mga gamit and ilalagay na lang namin siya sa aming garden. Nay! Ayan naman yung mga bata. Inaano kasi si Sanji nung mga bata last time. Kaya si Sanji ayaw niya ng mga kids kasi last time may mga bata dito doon sa hindi naman sila kasali dito sa loob. Pumapasok siya dito sa aming garden and they are annoying Sanji. That's why Sanji doesn't like them. Sanji doesn't like kids right now. But gusto niya yung si Kai. And kahapon may bisita kami kahapon and actually Sanji reacts good yesterday. Yesterday, love, no? Sanji was a good boy. With the baby Lucas.
I think it was good that we met there and not in here.
Come
She
here.
gets very territorial.
Yeah. Can you get me the comb so I can comb his hair?
Here?
Ear?
Which comb?
Huh?
The painful one?
This one. What is it? You just want mama in here. See? He just want me in here. He's looking for my scent. Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And kakatapos ko lang pala mag-hang ng aking mga labahin. And baby is sleeping. Si baby is meron siyang diba? Last time he has the rotavirus vaccination and meron siyang side effects ngayon and nagkaubo at nagkasipon. So dalawang gabi ako walang tulog dahil si baby ayaw ni Devin, ayaw lumapit kay Devin. Ako lang ang nilalapitan ni baby kahapon at today. Kahapon pala is walang work si Devin, nag lang siya kahapon, nag-off kasi celebrate sana namin kahapon yung aking 1-year anniversary dito sa Netherlands. Kaso ayun nga, unexpected. Nagkasakit si baby boy. So, next time na lang kami, magde-date sana kami, pupunta sana kami ng Den Haag para mag-date, and nagpa-reserve kami ng ano doon, ng restaurants, and may mga activity na ano si Devin, kaso nga hindi namin na napuntahan. So, next time na lang. And nahiya ako kasi yung papa niya nag-off pa ng work para bantayan si baby and si Sanji. So, yeah, na lang, next time na lang kasi bad timing din yung yung pagkasakit din baby, and ayoko namang iwan si baby doon habang kami pa happy doon sa Den Haag. So, tinawagan na namin kahapon yung Huisarts tawag nila dito. And bantayan lang daw namin si baby, the way he breathe, kasi pag hinihingal na si baby, kailangan na namin silang tawagan. Kailangan namin silang tawagan para punta na kami doon sa kanila and sila na mag-check, kasi kahapon hapon na din kami kahapon tinawagan kasi busy din ata sila. So ayun, so nag-phone call lang kami. Sana gumaling na siya dahil masakit sa kalooban ko na nagkasakit din si baby. Hindi ko alam kung sa weather ba or nakuha niya kay Devin, kasi si Devin meron ding ubo at sipon. Grabe naman yun. Oh, it's alright. Grabe naman yung kamukha ng papa, oy. Kapugi naman yung baby namin. Naka-open yung window namin guys kasi sobrang init dito sa loob. Hindi kaya ng power. It's already 12 guys, and I look so haggard. Mama looks so haggard lang. You will let Mama sleep tonight, na? Hey, good boy. Ahem. You gonna let Mama sleep tonight, na? Hey. You okay? That's good. Oh, that's not a lot of food. But that's smelly pupe. The baby just finished eating. And now the baby is gonna play. Yeah, toch? The baby gonna spelen. The baby gonna go play. Then after play, we go sleep. No people. Okay, my love. You wearing orange. Okay. Dinner for today. Tonight, yeah, vegetable with some meat. Late na kami nakapag-dinner guys dahil late din nung umuwi si Devin and nakatulog ako. So, ito lang yung dinner namin. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng sweet chili sauce. Tignan natin kung babagay siya kasi minsan hindi bumabagay. And ito yung gamit namin na ito yung gamit namin na vegetable. It's already a frozen mixed vegetable. So, yeah, para healthy naman tayo paminsan-minsan. Are you happy, boy? Kai. Oh, it's muy ver, che. Muy ver. Muy ver. Hi, hi. O, diba? Napakapogi naman ng aking baby, oy. Umugot na po ng face. I look so dark. Mommy looks so dark when I'm beside you. Tapos na siyang tede, and now it's time to change his nappies. Ang pogi! Kakainis! Happy Tuesday, guys! Ngayon lang din ako nakapag-vlog dahil ayan nga, si baby may sipon pa rin, and paggabi, nag-iising siya, so wala akong energy mag-vlog dahil ang energy ko na kay baby. And ayun, and naglinis-linis din ako. Did you cook, love? Oh, yep, you did. Naglinis ako, nag-arrange ako ng ng mga damit ni Dodong dahil ko na yung i-dispose na namin yung hindi na kasya sa kanya, or itatago na lang namin kasi in case sa next baby. Ayan pala yung mga natupi ko ng mga damit ni Dodong. Ayan, naka-arrange na yan kung ang ilalagay sa storage or tatapon. Depende. Ay, hindi pala itatapon kasi mahal pala yung mga damit na yun. Ngayon din ako nagkagana ng guys, ng vlog kasi nag-away kami ni Devin. 2 araw na. Siya ang dapat unang tumansin sa akin. Ganun talaga kami pag nag-aaway, guys. Hindi kami nagpapansinan. Ako din, hindi ako, di ako umiimik pag kami ay nag-aaway dahil ayokong makapagbitaw ng masasamang or masasakit na salita. And then, you're gonna go in the daycare. Is that okay? Or you're gonna go to Oma and Opa? Hiccups! 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 Yung pala nila dito, guys, yung daycare is tumatanggap sila ng 3 months old is the youngest. Yan yung sabi ni Manok, kasi si Manok nagtatrabaho din siya sa daycare. Hindi pa namin sure kasi mahaba ang line up daw dito sa amin ng daycare. And then pag pwede na siyang ipasok, doon ako maghahanap ng work. I hope makahanap tayo. Grabe naman kapogi yan, oy. Let's turn off the light because it's too bright for you. Finally, natulog din si baby. Nakatulog din ako. And gusto ko palang i-share yung guys, yung bulaklak na binili sa akin ni Devin. Bili siya ng yellow orchids. Ayan. Napakaganda. Ayan. Wala pa siyang pot. Kasi bibili pa kami ng pot para sa kanya. And binilhan din ako ng iba pang flower ni Devin ito. Ayan siya. Hindi pa siya namumulaklak. And ilalagay namin siya sa tawag nito sa garden namin. Dahil ayun nga, kulang ng mga bulaklak doon. And medyo boring. And yung namin, aming kapitbahay is naglinis siya ng ng mga weeds na doon sa gilid namin. So, yung lilinisan lang namin is itong malapit sa door and doon sa harap namin. So, yun lang yung linisin natin. Pero si Devin na ang gagawa nun. And meron akong sipon, guys.
De veentjes dat wat bruine gebouw? Ja. Weet je wel, Gijs? Ja.
Freaking na naman in order niya. Walang ibang na-order to kundi frikandel.
I didn't order frikandel.
Yeah, you said that. Oh, it's a Turkish restaurant, so.
Yep. No, money is gone already. Pretty good stuff, huh?
Sanji, stop running. I woke up from his run. Uy.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Carbonara.
You know, the carbonara is always pretty expensive, but to be fair, you get a lot though.
Yeah, it's like I ate it for 3 days.
Yeah.
And morning and after lunch. And my salad.
No salad.
No salad.
No, they didn't have. I thought you wanted spaghetti instead of salad. Do you want yellow or purple straw?
Doesn't matter.
Pedro.
It's good. It's not like the typical carbonara.
Hmm. Well, it's actually yummy though, the banana.
This one as well, taste it. It's good. It's not like the typical.
It looks like the typical one.
No, it's not.
It's it has a
This is
it has a very strong bacon taste, right? That's pure bacon what you're tasting.
could not even taste the bacon.
Like for next time, if we're gonna
Pictures that we're gonna put in the wall. Bohol, El Nido, and then like the good pictures. I like this carbonara.
yeah, because it tastes like baku. Sanji must have been so hungry last night because I didn't eat dinner with him,
So,
so he doesn't eat our food.
he has his food.
Hmm?
He has his food.
Yeah.
What's that sauce?
Zigeuner sauce.
What we're gonna do on Saturday, love?
I don't want to be on camera.
What we're gonna do on Saturday, love? We're going to walk on the forest.
The one in Arnhem? Here? Need to check whether the parasol though it blow over.
When you wanna ranger was there? It went down.
Yeah, I was talking with Roger and I was looking outside and I saw it go like and it just fell down. I said like, oh shit, the umbrella fell, the paraplu or parasol. I need to go fix it quickly.